In our previous vlog, you watched how we reached Tatopani and what were the road conditions over there. In today's vlog, we are going to show you different fun things we did in Tatopani. From exploring the Tatopani Bazaar to eating hot thukpas and taking hot natural spring showers. So stay tuned and let's enjoy the tour.
Guys, we are on the way to Tatopani, eh? आरामसँगले टिकट पनि काट्यो भर्खरै. We are in a little bit of rush, eh? Because we just reached to Tatopani at 5:30 p.m. and यो स्पा चाहिँ के भन्छ 6:30 बजेसम्म मात्र रहेछ हैन. अब तल मान्छे छ कि छैन फेरि.
Due to the difficult road condition, we were a bit delayed to Tatopani, but we are glad that the hot spa was still open. Usually, this spa closes at 6 p.m. and we reached there around 5:30 p.m. The ticket prices were really cheap. One could use the normal shower at only Nepali 10 rupees, whereas if you want to take bath in a tub, then it would cost you around Nepali 100 rupees per person. I think it's really affordable in compared to the expensive spa that we have in the city. The hot water here is full of natural minerals, so it is also taken as a medicinal water to cure different skin diseases. Although the bathroom doesn't seem that welcoming as the wall has started to wear off the color and lack of proper maintenance can be seen, but in my opinion, we can see more improvement in the coming future. As for now, we just want to remove our tiredness by getting into this hot spring.
Amazing, guys, amazing. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. This is really amazing water right over here, guys. The temperature is really hot. It's really hot, like 37, 38, 39 degrees Celsius. It's still very हुनुपर्छ हैन. छाला चाहिँ पिल्सिँदैन हैन, but yeah, it's quite a little bit uncomfortably hot हैन. But maybe it's just only for me. त्यही भएर पानी अलिकति चिसो पानी पनि भिजाएको मैले हैन. Thanks भन्छ क्या. है छालाको रोग सबै निको पार्छ भन्दै साच्चै हो कि के हो. It's just very like बिस्तारै बिस्तारै म बेहोसीमा गइरहेको छु जस्तो महसुस हुने क्या. अनि त्यसपछि आफ्नो खुट्टा बाटो it's really heavy. Just your body really feels heavy after this. Yeah? After taking this shower, right? I mean like this bath bath, eh? Oh my god. Like it's in the like. Anyways, whatever I'm trying to say is that last year I was like, it's an amazing experience. It came मजाको चाहिँ अनुभव छ यहाँ है.
गाइस अहिले चाहिँ हामीहरु तातोपानी बजारमा छौं. बिहानको 7 बजेको छ हैन. बजार त के भन्ने र इट लुक्स बिट अफ लाइक डिजर्टेड के हेर्दाखेरि हैन. बिकज त मान्छे छ न एउटा पसलै खुल्ला छ हैन. एक्सेप्ट फर द फ्याक्ट्री हामी बसेको होटल चाहिँ धन्न खुल्ला रहेछ हैन. नत्र भने त इट इज रियली सुनसान के. ब्युटी पार्लर पनि रहेछ भने लो. It's already day 2 in Tatopani and we are exploring the bazaar that once used to be crowded with people. But due to COVID, we can only see the empty streets and locked hotels. But the morning breeze has been really refreshing and soothing for us. There seem to be a lot of Tibetan and Buddhism related paintings and temples around here. The fine paintings thoroughly reflect the fine Buddhism arts. The bazaar is really empty. All the businesses has been shut down and no sign of any tourist can be seen here except us. A school is here too. On our way, we saw a huge Lord Gautam Buddha's statue, so we are heading towards there. To reach there, we need to climb some stairs. The statue seems really huge. The view from up here is really mesmerizing. The tall hills and the empty town makes this place very peaceful, and we hope that this empty town will soon be filled with lots of visitors. The statue indeed is really huge and looks like it was really well made. The colors still look fresh. I think it's painted recently.
कहाँ गौतम बुद्धले बजेर धारण गर्छ त नि त्यो नै जुङ्गा भएको इम्पोसिबल इन्द्र
They made it a bit like action figure type, yeah?
त्रिशूल पनि बोकेका छन् हैन नौवे के कि अवलोकिटी सरा हुनुपर्छ तर अवलोकिटी सराको चाहिँ हजारवटा हात हुन्थे हैन यहाँ त दुईटा हात देखाइरहेछ सो आई थिङ्क इट्स इन्द्र है एक हिसाबले हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ
But they tried to make Gautam Buddha in the
I mean like बुद्धको जुङ्गा oh my god like it's so unthinkable like guys look at his face and like, can you really imagine him being Lord Gautam Buddha at any cost at any time at any place and he is even holding the Trishul with the skulls attached to it पुरा टाउकै पुरा छिनिएको टाउको हैन पुरा अट्याच भएको छ के त्यो त्रिशूलमै and do you think it's Lord Gautam Buddha Unbelievable, okay? अनि अर्को चाहिँ जुन यो राइट ह्यान्ड साइडमा छ यो तपाईँले देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ हैन त्यसलाई हामी वज्र भन्छौँ के बुझ्नुभयो नि अनि जुन अब यो कटोरा यो बिचमा यो थामिरहनु भएको छ हैन I don't know what that actually is है but I think it's Indra yeah there we go सुन्दा चकित लाग्दो होला हैन yes in Buddhism they also believe in Lord Brahma Lord Indra and so on and on I think it's really influenced by the artistry of Chinese Buddhism. So guys, this is the statue of one of the Buddhas, and you can see that it's an amazing big ground right over here, like a terrace, and you can get an amazing view of the mountains right over here. That's a balla balla gham lageko avastha हैन and it looks so amazing guys. It looks really amazing.
It feels really amazing to be in such a peaceful place away from city hustle. The view from this place is equally mesmerizing, and words cannot define the pleasure we are receiving from this place. The small villages in the top of the hills, the clouds covering the hills, and moving slowly. Rivers flowing. Indeed, our country Nepal is very beautiful. So guys, हामीले चाहिँ यहाँनिर एक थुप्पा अर्डर गरेको होइन तातो पानीमा होइन hard to find but at least we found one restaurant or cafe जे भनेको नि होइन जहाँनिर चाहिँ थुक्पा चाहिँ बन्द रहेछ होइन थुक्पा बाहेक के पनि भन्दैन कि हुन त आइएम नट अ थुक्पा पर्सन है गाइस मलाई थुक्पा खान चाहिँ मन पर्दैन तर के गर्नु भोक लागिरहेछ अनि देयर इज नथिङ मच टु इट एक्सेप्ट फर द थुक्पाज विच इज वाइ वी आर इटिङ थुक्पाज हाफ अफ बाउल होइन Spicy. Beautiful. And it's a hot chocolate right there. I wonder what it does to my thupas. This is gonna be super spicy. Chai just give us spicy boy. I am really gonna eat it. It seems like a vegetable broth ma. They put some noodles, some spicy flavors, and that's it. So not much to say. I think it would be quite more good if they had added some veggies too and some meat. But no worries. The thupa is quite spicy, which is why I am gonna eat it because I am really hungry. And plus, yeah, This is the place where we had our breakfast thukpa. It was indeed really warm. Now we are heading towards our hotel. This was the only hotel which provided accommodation. It cost around Nepali 500 rupees for one night. The food here was average. Won't say it was really good as we could eat only potatoes and rice. Beside the hotel is the entry gate to hot spring. We are hoping to take another round of bath in this hot spring as our hearts have not been fulfilled with this natural hot spring.
Guys, after taking the bath, it really feels refreshing, है मजाको एकदम पुरा ताजा भएको अनुभव महसुस भइरहेछ तातो पानीले. My God, it's such an amazing experience, once in a lifetime, है. भरे त अब तपाईहरु त जतिखेर नै आउन सक्नुहुन्छ. तर जुन यो अर्निका हाइवे छ नि, यहाँसम्म आउने जुन राजमार्ग छ नि, यति बिग्रेको छ प्लस हैन. सबै मान्छेले होप पनि हारिसक्यो कि लाइक इट्स एभर गना बी बेटर समडे के. Like it's been years that the government has been neglecting on that part, है. उनीहरूले केही पनि इन्भेस्ट गरिरहेको छैन जस्तो देखिन्छ हैन. And they don't have any interest at all के. जबकि बाटोमा त्यत्रो हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ड्यामहरु थियो हैन. Why don't they actually really realize that the road transportation is the backbone of this country, right?
So guys, हामीहरु चाहिँ अहिले खासा बजार जाँदैछौँ है तातो पानीबाट. अनि बीच बाटोमा चाहिँ झरना देख्यौँ के. अब के हो झरनाको नाम थाहा भएन बट On our way to Khasa Bazar, we saw this huge waterfall. We still don't know the name yet, but we are in love with this beautiful gift of nature. It's quite scary though, as proper safety has not been maintained here. But the waterfall seems like it's going to flow and mix with the Votikosi river. Indeed, Nepal is rich in water resources. हाम्रो चाहिँ तातो पानीको भ्रमण यहीँनिर सक्यो किनभने हैन अगाडिको बाटो चाहिँ ओहो यति हिलो छ हैन. एन्ड आई डोन्ट थिंक कि हैन हामीहरुले जानु सक्छौं भनेर है पुरै लेदै छ के बाटो. अब हैन त्यो गाडी फसिरहेछ के त्यहाँनिर. The road to Khasa Bazar looks really dangerous, so we have cancelled our tour to Khasa. We heard that the China border has been sealed due to COVID, so it was really no use to go there. But nevertheless, we got a lifetime opportunity to visit in such a beautiful place, so it was a really special trip for us. Thank you all for watching our channel and hope to bring new videos like this.